Hey everyone, today I've got something exciting. I don't know if it's actually exciting, but stick around. So I want to talk about the device that I guess most of us might have had already, or that I've seen one or two reviews about it. I'm talking about no other than Samsung Galaxy A06. Yes. So I've seen, watched, and also heard many comments and opinions about this device, and most people are saying that this device is a direct replica of the Samsung Galaxy A05. Like it's a copy and paste. So we're going to find out, and from what they have said so far, I would say that all they have said is alright. So the Samsung Galaxy A06 is a follow-up of the Samsung Galaxy A05 that was earlier released, but there are some confusion that we have to clear out. So the Samsung Galaxy A05 had two models, the Samsung Galaxy A05 itself and the A05s, which actually came in with slight different specs and price. So the Samsung Galaxy A06 is a direct successor of the Samsung Galaxy A05 and not the A05s. So if you're already rocking the A05s, this is not a worthy upgrade for you. Spoiler alert, it is not a worthy upgrade for anyone else either. And here's why. First thing first, what comes in the box? As expected, it is very minimal. You get the phone itself, a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and a USB Type-C cable. No wall bracket, no extras, just the basics. Speaking about basics, the unboxing experience is actually, well, budget, and there's nothing much in there. So I believe Samsung would have done better, but it is what it is. The A06 has a 6.7-inch display, which is nice and big, but the display is straight out of 2018. Big bezel, a chumpy cheek, and an old school teardrop notch. Around back, it's all plastic with a slight texture finish. It's available in three colors: white, blue, and gold. This very one I have here. While it's not the most premium looking device, it's solid enough for the phone that costs around $100. Oh, and Samsung added a fingerprint sensor this year, and this was what they omitted from the Samsung Galaxy A05. And if you ask me why, I don't have an answer to that. Still on the display, here is where things start to get messy. We still have the 6.7-inch PLS LCD panel with a 720p resolution and a 60Hz refresh rate. That's the same with the Samsung Galaxy A05, and nothing different. No AMOLED, no 1080p, no upgrade whatsoever. This is basically the same from last year, and I believe Samsung would have done better. A better screen would have made a huge difference, but under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy A06 is powered by the same MediaTek Helio G85 processor as the A05, paired with 4GB of RAM. This chipset was decent back in 2020, but in 2025, it is barely hanging on. Basic tasks like social media and light web scrolling is fine, but anything more, you feel that lag. Again, no improvements anywhere. The camera also unchanged. You get the same 50-megapixel main lens and the 2-megapixel depth sensor on the back, along with the 8-megapixel front camera. No ultra wide, no telephoto, no 4K videos, just the basics. And for the image quality, it's fine for a quick snapshot, basic videos, but don't expect anything special. This setup is outdated and feels like an overthought. One thing about the Samsung Galaxy A06 that has been going on better for it is the battery life. It got a 5000 mAh battery with a 25 watts fast charging support. For light users, you can use this device for 2 days or more on a single charge. Just make sure you get the right charger, because Samsung did not include anyone in the box. So is the Samsung Galaxy A06 worth it? If you're coming from an older device and want something affordable with a warranty software update, then this is not a good choice. But if you already have the Samsung Galaxy A06 or can find it for a cheaper price, then there's no need to upgrade to this device as well. Honestly, it's better you save up money to buy a better A series, a Samsung Galaxy A55 and its kind, that will offer you greater value for your money than this device. But those are just my thoughts though. What do you think about the Samsung Galaxy A06? Share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you already own one, I would love to know your experience so far. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a like, share it with friends, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Till next time, bye and bye.